so why get closer without getting my feet wet? Here it is from this end. Somebody had a bed. Somebody was sleeping in here at one time. So as I make my way down through here, well, the wind sure is picking up quite a bit. And I'm forever looking up. Not so bad right at the moment, but just a little while ago, wow, the gusts were pretty heavy. You can hear them now. And then soon the trail then goes to my right. Before I take that, as I listen to this wind, out here is the Pine Street entrance, which is new to me. Listen to that wind, wow. So I'm just going to go down through here and get to the breast of the dam. So off the beaten path once again. The trail is up there, and I saw this, and of course I had to make my way down through there. And I'm going to look at it and say, well, it's a drainage ditch, a drainage tunnel. And of course, I'm going to have to go down there and take a look. Yeah, so why get closer without getting my feet wet? And this doesn't matter, does it? Oh yeah. Isn't that pretty cool? Goes across there. And I probably can get I could get to the other side, I believe. Yeah, isn't that something? They sure did a lot to make a drainage ditch. Maybe it's something more. I got a little closer. Yeah, I'll have to see if I can't make myself. I'll have to see if I can get over to the other side and take a look through there. I'm making my way down on the other side of that drainage tunnel, and you can see the top of the tunnel, and there's the fence, and I'll see how close I can get. I'm probably not going to be able to get into that fence. But I'll go down there and take a look. Oh sure, I could make it down through there to look where I was. No problem. Myself down through here. Yep, and there it is from this end. That could be deep in spots. I see some holes. Could be 3-4 feet deep. I don't think I could walk across there unless I had a bigger, maybe my stick, my hiking stick might support me. Just walking across here to get to the other side. Looks like a bit of a dam here. I'm not sure what was that for. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Well, so I just left the, well, I'm going to call it a covert. And when I think of a covert, then I think of must be a railroad bed somewhere around here. And I may very well be just on it now. Not quite sure how long it ran, but up that way it would be the covert that we were down under. And this may possibly be the railroad bed. And so, as I'm walking along through here, then I see something. An old stone structure down in there. Wow. The doorway down there. So, I'm going to see if I can't make my way down through there. So I just have to be somewhat careful getting down in here. I never know when these old legs are going to give out on me. But anyway, I see a grill. Somebody would haul a grill in here. Wow. I'm going to get myself down in here. Huh. Isn't that something? There's a room down in here. Isn't that something? Somebody had a bed. Somebody was sleeping in here at one time. Isn't that something? Not sure what this was for. Looks like a hole for a stovepipe. And that's something. How about that? Somebody lived here at one time. There's the grill. And there's a sleeping bag and pillows and stuff. Somebody's home. How about that? Well, that's interesting. Well, I'll make my way up out of here.